So kale is hot these days. You can cook it as a side dish. It's used in smoothies or in salads. And let me show you how to clean and to prep it. First, we want to get rid of the stem and spine. And you could try to just pull the leaves off. So that's the stem. And then just roll the leaves. Use a chef's knife to cut it any shape or size you want. You could also fold the leaves over like this and then take a smaller utility knife to remove the spine and stem. I'm going to get rid of this part and I'm going to use the leaves. Again, I'm going to roll it and cut it either nice and thin for a salad or keep it nice and coarse.